Are you tired of taking medication for your heart condition? Do you want to learn how to naturally heal your heart and prevent future complications? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we will provide you with the latest research and practical tips to reverse coronary artery disease quickly and effectively. Firstly, it is important to know what arteriosclerosis is and how it's caused. Arteriosclerosis, also known as the hardening of the arteries, is a condition in which the walls of the arteries become thickened and stiff. This lack of elasticity leads to a restricted blood flow to vital organs and tissues. This condition can then be further exacerbated by a buildup of calcium in the arterial walls, known as calcification, leading to severe health concerns like heart attacks and strokes. While, for decades, it has been proposed that cholesterol, specifically LDL cholesterol, was a leading cause for heart disease, multiple studies have actually shown that the majority of heart attacks and strokes take place in individuals who possess normal cholesterol profiles. This implies that cholesterol is not the primary culprit responsible for heart disease. It is now widely accepted in the scientific community that chronic inflammation is the real culprit for a multitude of health concerns, including heart disease. Chronic inflammation is influenced by numerous factors, but stress and unhealthy eating habits are among the most notable causes. Excessive consumption of sugary and grain-based foods, such as bread, cereals, and biscuits, stimulate insulin production, resulting in inflammation. This inflammation, in turn, can lead to stiffening of artery walls and calcium buildup, ultimately resulting in plaque formation. So, now that you know the causes, the first thing you can do to reverse arteriosclerosis is obviously to eat less inflammatory foods, which means less sugary foods, processed foods, and less grain-based carbs. This will get the insulin in your body back to working like it should. Vitamin C is also very important for a healthy heart. The lining of our arteries is made up of endothelial cells. Vitamin C helps to keep these endothelial cells strong, which is an essential collagen material for maintaining elastic, non-stiff arteries. Some foods that are rich in vitamin C include bell peppers, sauerkraut, strawberries, and beef liver. Another crucial vitamin for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system is vitamin E. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps prevent the formation of lesions on the inner lining of the artery, called endothelial tissue. A deficiency in vitamin E can lead to increased oxidation and inflammation, which is not ideal for the heart muscle. Therefore, it plays a significant role in protecting the heart from potential damage and preventing heart attacks. Vitamin K2 is also a game changer. Vitamin K2 has been shown to regulate calcium in the body, which helps reduce calcium deposits in the arteries. Vitamin K2 also blocks arterial thickening and stiffening, which can slow down the progression of atherosclerosis. By preventing calcium from accumulating in the arteries and promoting healthy arterial function, vitamin K2 can help improve overall cardiovascular health. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your cardiovascular health and reduce your risk of heart disease, vitamin K2 is definitely worth considering. Vitamin K2 is primarily present in particular animal products and fermented foods, which are not commonly consumed by most people. The MK4 subtype is primarily found in animal products, such as high-fat dairy products from grass-fed cows, egg yolks, liver, and other organ meats. On the other hand, fermented foods like sauerkraut, natto, and hard cheese contain the longer subtypes, MK5 to MK14. It is worth noting that vitamin K is a fat-soluble vitamin, which means low-fat and lean animal products don't contain much vitamin K2. The recommended intake of vitamin K2 for optimal health is 200 micrograms of vitamin K2 per day. In the event that for whatever reason you are unable to ingest animal and fermented foods, taking a K2 supplement is a valid alternative. It is also important to note that supplementing with K2 provides additional benefits when combined with a vitamin D3 supplement. Vitamin D3 and K2 work together to facilitate the absorption of calcium and promote healthy bone mass, while also preventing arterial calcification. This helps to maintain both strong bones and a healthy heart. Vitamin D3 is responsible for enabling the efficient absorption of calcium, while K2 activates osteocalcin, a protein that integrates calcium into bone. When either of these vitamins are lacking, calcium is unable to perform its functions properly. Now that you know how to reverse arterial plaque and that bad cholesterol is a myth, have a look at this video, which shows what happens when you eat a low-inflammatory diet of only meat.